Hi, I'm Jay O'Connell, Product Manager for OpsCore. The LockDown Liner Upgrade Kit is compatible with all legacy FAST helmet systems. We're going to walk through how to upgrade a legacy FAST SF with the LockDown Liner Kit. The first step in upgrading your helmet is to take out your legacy liner system. So we're going to do that by taking off the chin strap screws and taking out the suspension and retention system. Your LockDown Liner Upgrade Kit will come with a set of Velcro hook coins. You're going to add those to the interior of your helmet so you can attach the new liner at the new locations. With the Velcro in place, we can now start to add our new LockDown components into our existing FAST helmet. We're going to start with the front pad, using this mark at the split of the comfort pad to line up with the center of the helmet. Next, we're going to add on the rear pad and conformal nape. On the rear dial assembly, you'll notice 4 markings for the individual sizes of helmets. Be sure to line up the hole that lines up with the size helmet you have to the rear chin strap screw. With those 2 sections in place, we can now reattach our rails. With the rails back on, we can now unbuckle the chin strap, open the cable dial, and add in the crown and side pads. Be sure to insert the crown pad with the narrow section pointing towards the front of the helmet. By adding the LockDown Liner Kit to your existing FAST helmet, you now have a more capable, comfortable, and stable helmet system. For more information on the LockDown Liner Upgrade Kit, visit our website.